Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in today's video we're gonna dive right into an amazing strategy to make money online. And this strategy, guys, we're gonna be utilizing a very cool platform or a very cool business model, which is actually the printing on demand business model. If you don't know about the printing on demand business model right there, it's just a very cool kind of business model where you don't actually need to go onto creating or having a physical store. You don't need to have a physical machineries and a lot more cool stuff right there. All you need to do is to just simply create cool and amazing designs of some cool products right there. The products may actually be t-shirts right now. You just need to create digital designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and a lot more cool stuff such as that. And once people actually do like such kind of products right there, the platform which you actually did design those products right there, they can actually go on to purchasing the product. And if they do purchase that product right there, the platform is going to do all the work for you by bringing such product to life. That is actually bringing your designs to life right there, and also shipping it to your customers right there. And both you and the platform that actually did that are actually going to go on to sharing the profit. So basically that's how the printing on demand business model actually works. You can see right here on Google that the printing on demand business model is a business model where products such as apparels, accessories, or home decorations are produced only when an order is received, and it eliminates the need for inventory management and upfront cost. So if you do go to checking out this image, you actually do see much more details on the printing on demand business model. After you've created your cool and amazing design right there, the customer actually sees the design and places an order. The customer places an order right now on your store. You actually go onto, or the printing on demand platform actually goes on to printing that particular product right there. As you can see, the product is actually being printed right here in this section, and it's actually going on to package, or they package the product and go on to shipping into your customers right there. So you are not actually needing any form of capital for this right now. All you need to do is to go onto the printing on demand business platform and actually go on to creating cool and amazing designs that are actually attractive to audience. And in creating such designs right now, you make money. And I'm going to show you a very cool way which you could use to make money with this simple strategy right now. So basically, guys, you can actually utilize this platform right here called Redbubble. This is an amazing platform that actually works on the printing on demand business model. As with this platform, guys, you could go into creating designs on clothing accessories right now, such as dresses, hats, hoodies and sweatshirts, leggings, shirts, socks, t-shirts, tops, and lots more other stuff right there. You can actually go on to designing stickers, phone cases, wall art, home and living accessories, kids and babies, other accessories, stationaries and office, and a lot more other cool stuffs. Now supposing I'm focusing on the clothing and I select hoodies and sweatshirts right now, as you can see, I'm being brought to this page right here where you can actually see different kinds of hoodies or different kinds of sweatshirts right there. Supposing I select a specific kind of hoodie right now, as you can see, if I just select the women's hoodie, you can see different kinds of hoodies right now. As you can see, these are actually different designs of different individuals right now. People can actually do go on to purchasing such design. If they do come right here, you can see the price right now for purchasing this right there. And the cool thing about this is that once somebody purchases this, the platform right now is actually going to share the profit with the person that actually made this design right here. And this particular product is going to be shipped to the customer right now. And that's how cool this actually is. So all you need to do is to create a cool design such as these ones right now. To create a design, guys, it is quite easy right now. After signing up to the platform right now, you want to just simply come onto this section. Maybe I want to create a design of one of these. You can see the available styles right now. Maybe if I just select this hoodie right here, I can actually then go on to checking out more details right here about hoodies right now. So if I want to just simply create a design, click on this right here, click on sell your art right now. That is after signing up for an account. You can actually then go on to clicking on create a product. So right now, if you do click on create a product, you want to click on add design right now. And if you add a design right here, guys, as you can see, the page is still loading up. As you can see right now, you can actually go on to copying from an existing work right now for your design, or you could upload a new work right now. But guys, the strategy which we're going to be utilizing today will require us to upload a new work. So if you do click on upload a new work right here, it's going to take you to the page where you just need to upload a new work. As you can see, this is one of the works right here which I actually do have, and I'm actually uploading that on this platform right here. You can actually go on to giving the work a title right now, a title for the particular brand, a description right now. You can add in tags that can actually make this particular work quite outstanding or quite easily searched for or easily visible by audience right there. You can actually then go on to seeing that this is actually turned on or on this particular product right here. You can actually go on to clicking on enable right now. Maybe if I do click on enable right here, as you can see, this has actually been enabled. I can actually then click on this right now to remove the disabled and enable that right now. The image is actually quite small right here, so you can actually then go on to creating a bigger size of image right now, maybe once you're actually creating images. And to create images right now, it is quite easy right now. You just want to go on to utilizing a very cool AI tool called the runwayml.com. This is an amazing AI tool that you can actually use to generate cool and amazing image and video content. You can create images from just simple text prompts. You could also create videos from just simple text prompts, and also convert an existing image into a video, or you could use both images and video and convert that, or images and text and convert that to a video. And it is quite free to sign up to the platform. All you need to do is to sign up for free. You will be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. As you can see right now, you can actually begin to generate videos with an image or with a text prompt. But since I'm not actually interested in creating videos, I want to just simply go on to creating images. So right here under the image section right now, you want to click on generate image right here. If you do click on generate image, you can either generate images from just text prompts or from an image right now. You can actually train your own generator. You can check out the infinite image and also the image variations. So right now, if I do click on text to image, I just need to come right here and select the dimensions of the image right now, which I want to just simply generate. If I do select the mobile vertical right now, maybe I can select the resolution right here. You can actually go on to selecting the style right now. Suppose I want to select cartoon style right here, what I'm going to do is to select the number of outputs, which I actually do want right now, and I'm just going to come right here and actually type in my prompt. So right now I could just simply type in something quite simple like Bart Simpson riding a skateboard, and that's actually a prompt right now. And if I actually do put in something like this right here, I'm just going to click on generate right now, and you can see my image generation is actually in progress. In a matter of some seconds right now, my images will be generated, and I can then just simply go to checking out how cool the images actually are, and I can then go to converting that to a design right there. As you can see right now, you could also go into selecting a different kind of style right now, but you can see the style I'm using, a cartoon style right here, and you can actually do see the images that are generated. I actually do prefer, you can actually download any of these. Maybe if I download this and also this via clicking on download icon, head back to that printing on demand business platform, which is Redbubble, and you want to just simply go on to uploading that right now in this section. Maybe I can click on replace image and select a new image right now. If I select this image right here, as you can see, the image is going through the uploading phase right now, and once that has actually been uploaded, all the images on this section has actually been changed. You can actually do see how cool this actually is. You can go on to editing each and every one of these clothing apparels right here. After enabling that, click on edit right now, and you can actually edit this to your preference. You can actually do see the size of the product is actually on the 100% right now. You can actually do see the design, maybe you want it central or vertically or horizontally right now. You can actually edit that to your preference. You can apply the changes. You can actually change the color of the t-shirt right here. As you can see, this is actually quite better. You can change that to any color of your choice right there, but make sure you match a color that actually do fit in this perfectly. That color is actually better right now. You can actually go into replacing the image if you want. You can make the image bigger right there. If you can make the image bigger, so you're going to increasing the size of the image, that will actually be quite better. Maybe you could go onto platforms like on Google and go on to searching for image enlarger and actually enlarge the image before coming onto this printing on demand platform and actually list that as one of your products right here. Enable as many products as you want right now, and once you're done guys, you want to just simply go to saving your work. After you save your work right now and actually give that a brand name and other details right there, you just need to go on to leaving that on the platform. And if you do add some cool tags that can make this easily discoverable right there, once people actually do see the design and they like that, they're going to purchase that particular product right there, which you actually did enable. And if they purchase the product, guys, both you and the platform, which is Redbubble, are actually going to share the profits. So this is an amazing strategy I hope you take advantage of right now. And if the video did add some value, hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.